Hello guys, and welcome back. We got up to here, the last video that we watched. We were able to create all the forms. Okay, I mean the sign up form, the login form, the reset password form, the reset message password form. We did all of them. Okay, and then we ended up here. This is going to be the continuation of that video because I want us to do some styling that will be very nice. Okay, so let's go into the codes. Let's create a new file here called style.css. It's already exists. Okay, so let's hide it. I think we have it inside. Okay, so there's a style.css there which has no codes. Okay, so we are going to put some codes inside. I want to put some let's say border around the form for it to look nicer. Okay, so as we were coding the first time, we put a div here. The div that we put, let's say classes, we put classes here. Okay, yeah, I think they are here. We put form dash div here. So we are going to work on this. So let's copy this. When we go to the style.css, then we put it here. Control V. So what you say is that margin is going to be 50 pixels auto, then 50 pixels. Then padding 25 pixels, 15 pixels, 10 pixels, then 15 pixels. Okay, so up, down, left, right. I hope you know the CSS style. If you don't know, don't worry. We will take our time and take you through CSS codes. Okay. Border radius. Let's put 15 pixels there. Then the border itself. One pixels. Solid. The color, I want it to be 80 CE G7. You will see the color that will come like a green color like that. Okay. Then font size 1.1 GM. They are all CSS styling. Okay, so now let's go to the course. Let's go here, sign up, and then let's include this style. Let's see if it's there. Okay, it has already been included, so just include this one here. Okay, and let's refresh and see what will happen. It's not showing. Why? We have linked the style.css here inside the CSS folder. You have style.css, and why is it not coming? Why is it not showing? And we have put dim form. This it seems to be strange. Why is it not coming? It's not showing. Okay, I had refresh. So sometimes the CSS behaves like that. You had refresh. That's the Control Shift R, and then it will refresh hardly, and all the codes will work. Okay, so now we have this, but there's too much space here. So let's go there. I think below the sign up here, the sign up here. Yeah, this side there's a too much gap, so you will eliminate the gap there. Margin, let's put some CSS style here. So let's say margin top, make it 0 and see. So now it's working. Okay, so let's continue with the rest of the, so let's copy this one, the rest of the pages. Let's copy this one and then go to the reset and put it here. I think it's already there. CSS, okay, it's already there. You go to the password message, that one too is already there. Then we go to the login, it's also there. So let's check some of them and see if it is working actually. So the login is showing nicely. The login to, let's remove, or let's make here to be, I think this is the login. Okay, so let's say margin top 0. We can bring it down a bit. So login here, let's say margin top 2, and let's see, let's put 2 then see. It's okay. Okay, it's like if you wanted to come down a bit, you can do that. You can create here, you can put something like here, margin top to have 4 pixels. Okay, it's okay now. So let's do that to all the other styles. Okay, so we come here and put mg4. It's okay. Then we put 2 here. Then let's go to the reset password 2, and then we say we shouldn't say sign up here. We should supposed to say reset your password, or let's reset password here. Okay, and that one we can put margin top to be 4, and then here we put 2 here. Password, the same thing. Let's put password message, so we can see, we can remove this one from here. Let's remove this one, and then we put margin top 2. So let's go there. It's okay, this is okay, but I want it to come down a bit. So let's go to the, let's go here. I think we can put on the form itself. Even this one doesn't need a form, this one is just a message, so but let's leave it there. Let's remove the form, let's remove it. Okay, let's remove the form. Let's remove the form and see the output. Okay, it's the same thing, so we can remove the form and it won't do anything. So for now, let's put some margin of 4 here, margin top of 4 here, and see. So that is that. It's okay, the message is okay. So I think now all the, let's go to the reset password and see the page. That one too is coming cool. So we will deal with this eye. I think I put some eyes there, icon there. We will deal with it. Okay, yeah, there was an icon somewhere. Yeah, I think no, not here. Reset password. I put some icon here. Okay, so let's get rid of this and start from the scratch. Okay, so let me refresh, and now everything is nice. Okay, so we are finished with the first part of the design I want us to make. Second part, I want us to bring some the style in here, the eye, so that you show the password. Okay, so let's do that. for that one, because we are using Bootstrap and then font has some, they have some kind of link, so it's not difficult to do it at all. Okay, so we need what do we call it? Okay, we have got our styling here, so we need actually this one, we just need the icons. Okay, the icons, I think. So let's go to the password side. Okay, where the passwords is, then we make some small changes here. So this is the first one and this is the second one. So let's come here, let's come in between this and this, the label and then the password itself, and let's create some div there, and let's call it input group. This is directly from Bootstrap, so just put it there. It will do all the styling for us. Okay, so that we put this to inside. Oh, sorry, let's put this, I press the Ctrl Z instead of Ctrl C or Ctrl X. So let's put this inside. Okay, we can make it like that. Then we come to the control here too. We do the same thing here. So let's say div, then form group. Okay, so we copy this and put it here again. Control X, Control V. Okay, so we have put this to the label and then the password input inside this. And it's supposed to be form input, otherwise it won't work. Form is supposed to be input group. Input group like this. Okay, I hope you are following. So we put this to inside the form group. Okay, class, and then you are good to go, or container, then you are good to go. Then after that, we bring the font icon. We included it here. Okay, it's here. This for the font icon. So let's do that. You can do that, or you can use it here. Okay, so what we do is in between this, that is in between this. Okay, put button. Okay, put button here. A class, give it a class. btn outline. It's coming here. You can say secondary. Okay, just give it that class. Then type button. Give it ID. Of toggle password. Just give it the ID like that. We use this one to make the toggling. That is to hide and then to close in the JavaScript. Okay, so we put it there. And I think that is that. After that, you can now bring the font icon. So make it I, and then the I, you bring a class here. Okay, FA-I. They are all Bootstrap sorry, font awesome classes, so you can use them, you can learn them more. Okay, put icon here, put ID here, icon. This one too, we need it in the future videos. Okay, so now let's refresh and see what is going on. So let's go here, type reset, sorry, sign up. And as you can see, it is showing nicely. This one is appearing here. Okay, but there's a slight difference. Let me see what we can do here. Why is it not showing? We put the div input group. I think we must put the input group here. Let's cut it and bring it here and see. Yeah, so that the is it above? Let me see it. This one was supposed to be inside here. Okay, let's put a label on top like this and see. Let's refresh and see. Okay, it's showing nice. It's okay. Then let's do the other one too. So we will bring the label here, okay, on top, and then we will bring this thing here, copy it and put it here, and then close it down here. Then after that you can put your button. Okay, then put a class there, class of btn secondary, btn outline secondary. And then you can put the type to be button, the ID toggle password. So make here toggle password 2. We want to follow this trend, the one that we were using for the password name. Okay, password 2. So let's bring this one toggle password 2 and bring this one icon 2. Okay, so that will be 222. The type will be password. Okay, so that here will be password toggle password, then okay, so it will be the same thing. Okay, let's refresh and see, but the icon is not showing. Why? Because we have not put the icon inside the button. So let's copy this one and put it here and refresh. Now it's cool. So we have got this. Okay, so when we click on it, it's supposed to show the password, but now it can't show because we haven't added that features. Okay, so we can go to the rest of the password thing. So I want to copy here. I want to copy the whole thing here so that it will be easy. The video is getting long. I don't want that. So let's copy here. Okay, let's copy here and go to the reset password, and then we put it here. Okay, and then we also put it here. So we can put here 2, and here will also be 2, and here will be okay. So reset password, let's see if it is working. Reset password, it is working perfectly. Okay, then the next one is the message. We don't need this thing at the message side. Let's go to the login and do the same thing there. Let's copy this one and paste it here. This one we don't need the 2, so let's delete this. Okay, it's okay. It's okay. I think the password we need the first password. Yeah, we need the second and the first password. So let's copy this one, put it here, and make here 2, password 2. Okay, the name will be password 2, and then we copy and put it here, and here will be icon, and then the password toggle, nothing will be there. Okay, so let's refresh and see last one. That is the, where are we, the input, sorry, the login. So login, and it's also working, but the login, you need the email and the password, not the 2 password. So I think we have made some mistake here. Okay, so we can decide to delete this one and go to the sign up page, bring our username here, copy it, go back there again and paste it. Okay, then we don't need this, we don't need this one, we don't need this one. Okay, so I think it's okay, it's okay now. The video is for beginners, that's why I've taken my time to go through. So if you are not a beginner, then I'm sorry, this is not your video. It's for those who are learning the PHP at fresh. So I've taken my time, but I think everything is working perfectly. Why? So we are not following the trend. I think the form group will come. Let's go to the page again. So let me copy this. Oh, this shouldn't be here. I think it's working now. Okay, the last thing that I want us to do is, I want us to go to the sign up page and put some link here. Okay, so after here, after the button, put p tag there. The p tag, we are going to put it there. We'll have a class of text center. So text center, then mt2, margin top 2. Then we type, are you already a member? Are you already a member? Then if you're already a member, then you should log in. So let's put our anchor tag there, and then we say login.php. Then we bring it here to be login. Okay, if I refresh, let me go to the sign up. If I refresh, I can see something like this here. Okay, so let's bring some small margin here. Okay, it's okay. I want to remove the underline. Okay, so let me put style on the href. So style, I will say text decoration none. so that the border will go. Okay, I think it's okay. The font size too is a little bit bigger, so let's make it a little bit smaller. So let's say font size 1 point, so let's say 0.8 dm. Let's see, it's okay, it's smaller than the thing, is okay. Okay, we can copy this. Let's copy the whole thing here, copy it and go to the login and then paste it here. So you see, are you not a member? Or you can say not yet a member. Then you sign up. So you sign up. Then you change this one to be signup.php. Signup.php. Okay, so that's what I want us to do. So let's go to the login and refresh, and now it is there. Okay, you just add the links here quickly. So let's do that. So when we come here, it will bring us to, I think it's already there. Okay, so let's check and see. When we click here, it will bring us to the sign up. Correct. And when we click here, login, correct. Okay, so please let's end here. The next video we are going to insert data in the database, and then we log in, then we continue the video. Thank you for watching.